Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing tighten in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make character spacing tighten. At first, select a text, click inside the text box, then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the character spacing. Now we select the tighten or the tight, select this. Now we can see we make character spacing tighten very easily. You can apply in another text. Now I am select this bulleted text and make the spacing tighten or the tight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.